Hi, everyone. This is Stephanie. I'm a NetSuite consultant at Concentrus, and today I'll be walking through how to utilize global permissions on your employee record to override certain permissions across all of your roles. So currently I am logged in as the user Catherine Glass. Let's take a look at her employee record. And if you scroll down, you should see the Access tab and see which roles she has access to. So currently she has the administrator role and the SS Manufacturing Standard Sales role. Now you should be able to see the view of all the roles you have access to here. However, this is a demo account, and so I will be able to see all of the roles that are available in this account as the demo owner. However, theoretically, in a normal NetSuite environment, I should only be able to see as Catherine Glass, the administrator role, and one copy of the sales role. The reason there are two copies in this case is because the first one was created from the default demo view, and this is the one that was added once that role was manually added to her employee record. Now, under that same Access tab, you'll see that Global Permissions subtab. And currently, I have the global permission of purchase order set to full. And now if I were to take a look at that sales role, you'll see that for the permissions for transactions, we do not have the purchase order role. So if as any other user that does not have that global permission of purchase orders, I should not be able to access once I log into that role for purchase orders. Okay. But because I have set this global permission, as Catherine Glass, if I log into that sales role, I should now be able to see the functionality of purchase orders in this role right here. Now, if I were to get rid of her global permission, so let's go back to her employee record. And I will go ahead and remove this global permission. And I will log back into the same sales role that we just saw, that purchase order functionality. And now you'll be able to see that purchase order is not one of the options. So this specific role does not have the access to purchase orders. Right. And this applies to all of the roles that Catherine has set in her employee record. For example, if she had access to the controller role, and originally the controller role does not have purchase order access, she would still be able to have that access in controller role if she had that global permission set for those purchase orders. All right, that is all I had to share with you today, and thanks for listening in.